We're going to go over how to upload a video and then put captions on. This is Digital Granny. Let's get started. We're going to go to the plus. Click on the plus in the bottom right. Click on that. Up pops your camera, which has your videos and pictures. I'm going to click this last one. Then I'm going to select next. So that's the video I want to put captions on. I'm going to click on the drop down and see this right here. It says captions. Select that. Now it's doing the captions. Can you see that? It's automatically, it's done. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to click save. Now you can drag it up or you can drag it down. You can actually pinch it, make it bigger, make it smaller. I'm going to put it back up and see that line that pops up. I don't know if you guys can see that. Yes, you can. So that means it's in the center. It's centered when that line pops up. So I'm going to drag it. You should always put your captions at the top or at the bottom. I'm going to put mine at the top. Then I'm going to touch it again, and it says Edit Captions. Let's select Edit Captions. Now you'll see here, you can actually make sure that the words are what they say they are. Like when you're speaking, sometimes it might pop in the wrong word. So you'll want to edit that. You can click on that little pencil. Then you can go in here and you can change it, okay? When you're done, click Save. Now I'm going to click again on the letter A right here because I want to change it to, let's change it to blue. So I'm going to click on blue. I'm going to select this A right here, and it gives different styles. We're going to leave it like that. I'm going to click Save again, and there it is. And then I'm going to come back up here, click Save. Okay, captions are there. Then I'm going to click on Next. And here's your opportunity to post, add your details, do whatever you want to do to this. And that's it for the captions. So if you have any questions, let me know. Make sure to like, subscribe, and comment on this. Let me know if it was helpful, if you need more videos, or if you can't find a video that you need help with. Drop me what you need help with in the comments, and I'll do my best to come up with a video for it. Thank you so much.